on, Geeks and Geekettes? I'm Adriana.
And I'm Noah, and welcome back to Insanity Squared.
So in this episode, the challenge will be a blindfolded drawing challenge. Except the twist is we're gonna use our non-dominant hand, and that'll be very tricky because we're gonna be blindfolded and drawing with our non-dominant hand. So
yeah,
so we're gonna be timed.
Yeah, each one of us is gonna get a minute to draw, and so then that means obviously the guesser has a minute to guess.
We're just gonna have a random word generator give us words, and we have to try and draw it. So
yeah,
and
the person who's drawing. So, like, if I draw something and she gets it right, I get the point.
Mm-hmm.
I think so last time we did it backwards. So the drawer gets the point. Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to flip a coin to see who goes first. This is a standard U.S. American quarter. I'll let you call.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
Heads.
It's tails.
Okay.
I had to think about that for a second.
Okay. 1 minute. Starting. Here's your pen.
Is it open?
Yeah, it's open. It's open. Yeah.
Oh wait, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Oh no! I don't know how to do this.
Oh gosh. Okay, it's a person. Running? Racing?
No.
Forward? Going forward, go. Oh my gosh. Fast.
Yes.
Okay, that was good. We just spilled everything.
Let me watch it.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah. No. I can't see.
Freudian slip. She's cheating.
See. No, I can't see. Okay, ready? Oh gosh.
No. Okay, ready? You have 1 minute starting now.
Okay. Oh god.
Swing?
Yeah! I was gonna be like, that was good. Yeah, man, good drawer then.
Yeah, good job. Good. Oh no! I hope you get this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I feel like this is gonna be kind of hard for you to get. Did you get us 3 pages each or just 2 each?
I got.
Oh, 3. I can count.
Yeah, there's one up there.
Okay.
Okay. Rati.
Am I ready? Do you have the time ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Oh wait, did you draw that last one with your left hand?
No. Wait, did I?
I don't know. Ah, cheater!
Okay. Okay, ready, set, go.
Oh, freak.
Sad? Drama?
Uh-huh.
House?
Uh-huh.
Tunnel?
Uh-huh. It's a face.
It's a face?
Much. Is that cheating?
No. I mean, I guess, but...
Well, you drew the first one with your right hand,
yeah,
so...
Okay. It's a face. A sad face, crying? Crying face?
Close.
Depressed? I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Dead face?
No. Come on, baby.
Bawling?
I don't even know if we're gonna guess this.
Time's up. What was it?
It's grief.
Grief. Yeah, that was good. Okay.
You have
ready?
1 minute
Oh god,
starting
it's gonna suck.
now. I don't even. What?
Okay. So okay. Where the circles?
Oh my
I don't know where the circles are, but pretend the circles are next to each other. Okay, and this is a what? What is it?
I have no idea. What?
Okay, the circles.
Mm-hmm.
They're also. Ah! Okay, that failed. My word was conference. In my head, I had it so good. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Oh, wait. Where's the page? Oh, I was about to write on the table. I think. Oh, this is going better in my head than it's going on the paper.
Waterfall?
No.
River?
Am I drawing on the page?
Yes. Sish?
What's this? Where's the page?
Right here,
Oh my
wait.
god, it doesn't feel like it.
What? A pond, a lake,
What is this? What is this?
a fish.
What kind of fish?
What kind of fish?
What kind of fish is it?
Jellyfish.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Where did I write it? The word.
See, you wrote sish.
Oh my god!
What? If we get a...
It's
if we're
jelly!
Oh!
1 minute starting,
Okay.
right?
Uh-huh. Babe.
Now.
Okay. Oh my god, I can't even draw straight lines.
What? Is it a boat? Is it a sandcastle? Is it a castle?
Close. Yep, castle. Oh, that's actually not that bad.
So, fair enough, you've won this game. Did you win the last game too? Or did I win the first game?
I don't remember.
I don't remember. Hopefully we entertained you with our laughable drawing skills and our inability to be, like, not cheat, I guess. Stick around, we'll be right back with some cuddle talk.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Today on this fabulous evening, it's actually kind of cold outside, but we're pretty cozy here.
Yeah, that's nice.
We're going to take you on a tour to our favorite places to eat in our respective cities. Let's start with Bad Daddy's.
Bad Daddy's?
We'll start with Longmont
Okay.
because the other one's more fun.
Okay. Bad Daddy's was a very new restaurant for me when he introduced it to me, and so I was really excited to try it out. The very first time I had Bad Daddy's was on hashtag best date 2016, so that was like a year ago, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Kind of. I mean, I guess it was a little over a year ago because it was December of 2016.
Dang, that's crazy. But yeah, it was. I was just amazed how you could make your own burgers, and like it wasn't just any burger. It was like, what's the word? Just
like there's buffalo
very
burgers.
fancy,
Yeah.
like.
You
and
pay
expensive.
for it. You pay for it. Okay.
But-
It's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Your wallet hurts when you're done. And I realize Bad Daddy's Burger is not like a specific to Longmont thing, but that's just our favorite place in Longmont to go. We haven't really been to any other sit-down restaurants in Longmont.
Yeah.
So we don't really have a large pool to pull from for our favorite place to eat in Louisville.
Mm-hmm.
But that is because when we can't decide where we want to eat, our go-to answer is always Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Oh my gosh. It's delicious. It's Indian food.
Yeah.
I'd never had
a
Indian
buffet.
food before going there. And then lunchtime it's a buffet. At
Lunchtime
nighttime
a
it's
buffet.
not.
Yeah.
It's way more expensive for
Yeah.
dinner.
Yeah.
We go during lunch pretty much always.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so like that takes up a large majority of our time. So that's why we don't have a large pool of like where we like to eat in Louisville, because we just have one place that we like to go.
Yeah, and they have student discounts, so that's really nice. And the buffet is pretty cheap for like the quality of the food. It's really good. And the people are nice. They always hit you up with water. A lot. Even when you don't want water.
But yeah.
No.
I don't know what else there is to say, really.
Yeah.
Well, that's all the time we got for you guys tonight, unfortunately. But we hope you enjoyed the episode.
And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a like. And to subscribe if you haven't already.
Make sure, if you do subscribe, you hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified every week when this video comes out, or throughout the week when we produce random other videos.
Yes.
We'll catch you guys later. Have a good week.